Nigel from Alphabet Game of Physics, and in this guide, I'll be teaching you how to use the Ludlum Model 2. First, you'll need to insert your batteries. Turn the thumb screw in the battery lid a quarter turn counterclockwise, then pull up on the lid. Insert the batteries according to the polarity markings on the underside of the battery lid. Then, push down and turn the thumb screw a quarter turn clockwise. Hook up the cable, in most cases Type-C, to the instrument's connector, ensuring that the main switch is in the off position. Now hook up the other end of the cable to the probe. Now remove the plastic cover from the probe's window. Don't forget to put this back on when you're done with the instrument. Move the main switch from the off position to the bat position. If the needle moves past the bat test or bat OK mark, your batteries are good. If not, replace the batteries immediately. Now move the main switch down to the lowest setting. On most Model 2s, this is times 0.1. To measure radiation, hold the probe to the source with the mesh facing down. You'll notice the meter reading go full scale. To fix this, you'll need to turn the main switch up. Do this until the meter reading is on the scale. Simply multiply the reading by the setting you have the switch on. Usually the needle will take a minute to go back down to indicate the actual value after overloading on any of the settings. To make the process quicker, press the reset button. If at any point you wish to silence the click audio, toggle the switch labeled AUD, which stands for audio. The switch next to it, labeled FS for fast and slow, is the response time switch. It changes the speed at which the needle moves. For precise measurements, even though it will take longer for the reading to build up, it is recommended to use the slow setting. To power the meter off, turn the main rotary switch back to the off position.